So on this page, I'm going to do kind of a more advanced and more in-depth version of what I'm kind of known for on other platforms. We're going to get into a little more description and explanation of what I'm doing, so it's a little bit clearer for you to follow along with, but also allow you to really leave these with no questions of how to do these techniques. So I'm going to do a really simple lifting and contouring facial routine. You could use this every day. This could be your only routine, and you're going to get lift and contour from this routine. And the reason you're going to get that is because we're going to do lymphatic drainage and Swedish massage techniques. And what that's going to do is it's going to move all that excess fluid out of your face. A lot of times people will think they have one face shape and they really don't. It's because there's just pockets of fluid trapped in the face that kind of create this new shape and create less definition to their face. So we are going to bring that definition back by moving the fluid out and doing these lifting techniques to build elastin and collagen in tissue. So that is going to be what this routine is. So we're going to start with some face oil. This is my blend I've used for years. So I'm just going to use that. Almost out. Okay, so this is how every routine is going to start, kind of almost across the board, no matter what my goals are. I'm going to start by going up the neck. I'm working on the side. Here's my windpipe. So on the side, this is gentle pressure. And the whole routine is going to be gentle pressure. We're talking light to medium. The reason we're going up, because this confuses people, is because in the beginning, we have different goals than at the end. Our goals in the beginning are opening this tissue. If we open the tissue, what that allows is for when we do all this drainage in the face, it's going to go down the tissue. If it's not open, it's just going to get moved around and stuck somewhere else, right? So often, usually like at the jaw and kind of in the jowl area, you'll just have these new pockets of fluid. So I compare it to a sealed bag of chips. If you put your hand at the bottom of that bag, apply pressure and push upward, it's going to pop that top. That's the effect we want. And just do that as many times as you want. Then I'm going to take these fingers here and I'm going to put them on either side. Here's my jawbone, either side. I'm starting in the middle and going out. Direction is so important when doing drainage because we have to push it in the direction where it actually will drain. And I'm applying pressure here and I'm applying pressure here as I push. I'm going to push up and over. So I'm here and I'm going up and over that cheekbone. And you can do this other side at the same time. And then we're going to do that same kind of 2-finger grab, but of the cheekbone now. So we're again starting in the middle and pushing out and really kind of tracing that cheekbone. I'm applying pressure on top and underneath. But it's not anything excessive. Like it may look like it needs to be really deep. It really doesn't. We're not talking about deep tissue release here. We're talking about pushing fluid, which tends to be pretty superficial. Now I'm going to take these 2 fingers and I'm going to put them on the nose and I'm going to do circles here. This is really light. I'm just trying to break up any sinus inflammation I might have here. You can even take it a little higher. And then I trace it out to the edge and down. I'm going to do my whole cheek like that and push it down. Now going up into the eyes, I'm going to start here And I'm going to do gentle little circles here to kind of get some stuff broken up so it's easy to move. And then I'm going to grab, there's a bone here, I'm on the bottom and the top, and I'm pinching and going out. It doesn't need to be an excessive pinch. If you feel like there's nothing you can grab here, that's okay. Use the finger pads and kind of push on top instead. And then I like to finish sometimes with a little gentle rub here and then bring that down. I'm going to go like this across my forehead. This is not a place where people tend to have a ton of inflammation, but you still could get some of that excess from the eyes up here. And so we want to go ahead and create like a little lift. So I'm kind of grabbing the eyebrows a little bit with this bottom finger, and I am lifting as I pull. And again, just taking that all down the face and neck. And that's it. That's a simple lifting and contouring routine that you could do every day. It's actually going to be shorter than this video is because I was stopping and talking a little bit. I'm usually giving like 2 to 3 minutes out of my day for massage, but it's cumulative and it works. Give this a try. Let me know how you like it. Let me know your results and share with your friends.